All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of Ryan's two-winner Brandon Woodruff raffle. So we'll check the time, August 12th at 10:59 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. Check the time. We have August 12th at 10:59 p.m. I just want to take a look at making sure we're looking at the first two. Okay, spots 1 and 2 are going to be our winners. So there's our 25 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is in spots 1 and 2 after the final roll are our winners. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 9. All right, 9 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looking for top 2. Here we go. Good luck. It is Shane and Rhiannon are our winners. So Shane and Rhiannon, please get with Ryan to collect your Woodruffs. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, August 12th at 11 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.